friends, I am back and I'm going to show you how I put together real easy foil packs. And today I'm going to do mine with, well, to start out with, I normally would put this all in one pan like a sheet pan dinner, but I love mushrooms and I want mushrooms in mine. My husband won't touch anything that has mushrooms, so if I put even one mushroom in his, he won't eat none of it. So I have to do it this way. I just separate. I make foil packs. But this, friends, is easy as pie. So, right here for my husband, I have got 2 chicken thighs. And I am going to put a little bit of salt and just a tiny bit of pepper. And then I'm also going to give him just a little bit, because he doesn't like too much spice. So I'm going to give him just a little bit of Greek seasoning. Just sprinkle it on his chicken, just like so. Okay, that's simple. Now, that's mine. Here's his bunch of veggies. He's got potatoes, he's got onions, and I've got yellow squash in here for him, because that he will eat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and drizzle that with just a little bit. I'm going to use about a teaspoon. I'm going to drizzle that with a little bit of olive oil. Okay? And that's it. That's all there is to putting together these foil packs. Now I just turn it around, and I've got the heavy duty aluminum foil. That other stuff would completely fall apart. But see how that's in there? I just fold that all up. Just like so. Just fold that all up. And then I put them in this pan to go in the oven, just in case they do drip out a little bit. So I'll put mine together real quick, and I'll show you how it works. Okay. So I've got 2 chicken thighs, and I like to drizzle mine with a little olive oil too. So I'll use a half a teaspoon, and I'll put half on my chicken. And I love the Greek seasoning, so I'm going to put a little on my chicken. Beautiful. It is wonderful. There goes my veggies. I've got potatoes, and I've got mushrooms, I've got onions, and yellow squash. Okay? So, I'm going to put the rest of the Greek seasoning on my veggies. I'm going to do about another half teaspoon and drizzle them with the olive oil. This turns out wonderful, and this is very healthy. Okay, and that's all I'm putting on mine. Oh, I gotta have extra pepper on mine, because that's my favoriteest thing ever. Okay, now let's see if I can get mine closed. Nice. Push that all up in there. I'll just fold it upward. Okay. Looks as though I got it all in there. Just kind of pinch it so it's tight. And there you have it. That's how easy that is. Those make nice foil pan meals. I call them hobo dinners. But you know what? if you're making, if you've got a variety of people that don't like the same thing, that's a perfect way to do it. It works perfect for my husband and I. So this is going to go in the oven at, I'm going to cook this about 375 degrees for just about 45 to 50 minutes. Because remember, dark meat takes longer to cook. It may even go for an hour. So when this is done, I'll be back and I'll show you how wonderful it turns out. Okay, friends, these are all done and they are beautiful. Ooh, look at that steam coming out. I'm going to lift this to my plate. This one is mine with the mushrooms and the chicken. And just look at, I didn't put a whole lot of olive oil in there, but it's got nice juice in there, and that is beautiful. Wonderful dinner. Budget friendly and healthy. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.